Hello students, today we are going to see about the phenols. Definition of phenol is derivative of hydrocarbons contains hydroxyl group, that is nothing but OH group, directly attached to a aromatic ring. Means when it is attached directly to a benzene ring, then it is called as phenol. So when it is attached to a aliphatic chain, then we call it as alcohol. For example, if we see here, when this is our benzene, when OH is directly attached to a carbon of a benzene ring, then it is called a phenol. So this is the simple phenol. Now here we are going to see about the classification of this phenol. So in classification, of phenol. In this there are three types. Similar way, depending upon depending upon number of hydroxyl group, that is number of OH group, it is divided into three types. So first one here it is monohydric phenols, dihydric phenols, and trihydric, or we call it as polyhydric. When number of OH group is 1 in a field, this one, for example this phenol, it is a monohydric. When number of OH groups are 2, then we call it as dihydric phenols, and when it is 3 we call it as trihydric phenol, and when it is more than 3 or more than 2 we call it as polyhydric phenols. So here we will see an example of these. So monohydric phenol, it means it contains only one OH group. So here this is the OH, only one single OH group attached to a benzene ring. So in case of dihydric phenol, it contains two OH groups. It contains two OH group. For example, so benzene ring which contains OH group, here two OH group. So here there are three possibilities. Either this OH group will present at 1,2 position, or it will be present at 1,3 position, like this, or another possibility 1,4 position. So there are three examples in case of dihydric phenol. OH attached to 1,2 position, so 1,2 position also called as ortho, and this is meta position and this is para position. OH, here OH group are present at ortho. Ortho means adjacent, meta means alternate. They are present, OH groups are alternate to after one carbon, and para means exactly opposite. OH groups are present opposite, so it is 1 4. If we number this, it is 1 2 3 4, so it is 1 4 diol. So here it is 1 2 3, so it will become 1 3, and here it is 1 2. So orthophenol, it is metaphenol or it is paraphenol. So here let us see about its IUPAC name. So IUPAC name of this we call it as, here there is no prefix, so only root word it is benzene, and we have to remove E, and instead of E we have to, when it is OH group, suffix will be OL, so this is benzenol. Benzenol, it is IUPAC name, and common name we call it as phenol. So its common name is phenol here. This is common name and this is IUPAC name. Similarly here, the common name of this compound is catechol. This is called as resorcinol and this is called as quinol. IUPAC name of these compounds, while giving IUPAC name, we have to number this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can number from clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you number it anti-clockwise, this will become 1, 2. So it should have, substituent should get lowest possible number. So it is 1, 2, and here we have to number similar way clockwise. This is how we have to number the benzene ring. So here, how to name this compound? So this is nothing but, no doubt the root word of this compound is benzene. So we have to remove E, and there are two OH groups, so it will become diol. So we have to write its position of both the OH group. So it is 1, 2 and diol. So this is the IUPAC name and this is the common name of this. The catechol is common name. Benzene 1,2-diol is the IUPAC name of this catechol. When it is 1,3 substituted, this is resorcinol is a common name. IUPAC name of this compound is, so 1, 2, 3. So same way it is benzene, hyphen we have to use between the letter and the number. So it is 1, 3. Between two numbers we have to use comma. These are the rules of IUPAC nomenclature, and it is diol. So this is the IUPAC name of this resorcinol. Resorcinol is common name. Benzene 1,3-diol. It is the IUPAC name. For this IUPAC name is similar way, root word is benzene. We have to remove E and we have to attach the position of this OH group. It is present at 1,4 position and there are two OH groups, so it is benzene 1,4-diol. So here these are the example of dihydric phenol. So let us see about third category, that is trihydric phenol. Third one. So trihydric phenols, it contains 3 OH groups. So examples here, I will write its examples. So benzene ring, it will attach OH groups 1, 2, 3 positions. So 3 OH group I have attached. So this is example for trihydric phenol. Another example, this is first example. Another example we can take, we can attach this OH group. these are the three examples of trihydric phenol that contains 3 OH group. Here pyrogalol, this is the common name where OH group is attached to 1, 2, 3 positions, 3 OH group. Then fluoroglucinol, it contains 1, 3, 5 position of OH group. And here 1, 2, 4 position, it is hydroxyphenol. So these are the common names. Let us say its IUPAC name. So as I told, there is no prefix here, only IUPAC name contains root word along with this suffix, that is secondary suffix. So root word here it is benzene. E we have to remove, and there are 3 OH groups, so we have to give its position. Similar way like dihydric we have seen, dihydric phenol similar way is 1, 2, 3. So we have to use hyphen, comma, then 2, 3. It is triol. 3 OH group. So this is IUPAC name of this. Pyrogalol is common name. Benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. This is the IUPAC name of this trihydric phenol. For this fluoroglucinol, this is present OH, 3 OH group are present at 1, 3, 5 position. So its IUPAC name is benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. Similarly, for this it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So name of this it is benzene 1, 2, comma, it is 4. 1, 2, 4 triol. So this is IUPAC nomenclature of this hydroxyphenol. So this completes about the classification, definition and classification of phenol.